Hi, I'm Martin King, Commercial Service Project Manager for JK Mechanical. About 2 years ago, we installed a VRV system here at Ruhl's Church in Manheim, Pennsylvania.
My name is Blaine Wenger. I am the pastor here at the Ruhl's United Methodist Church just outside of Manheim. I actually grew up in southern Lancaster County and been pastoring for a little over 25 years, serving churches. As the senior pastor here at Ruhl's Church, I'm pretty much involved with everything there is. The ministry of the church, leading worship on Sunday morning, Bible studies, Sunday school classes, a little bit of everything. When I came to Ruhl's Church a little over 4 years ago, the church I came to had an oil-fired furnace to provide heat for the entire church, and we had air conditioning installed in about half of the church, but not in the sanctuary. When we started to explore the idea of putting air conditioning in the sanctuary, we had no idea about VRV system. We were interested in getting air conditioning installed in the sanctuary so that it was comfortable in the summer months. When JK Mechanical came in to talk to us, they gave us this option of the VRV. With this church sanctuary built in the 1950s, it was never designed with air conditioning in mind, and so we had some concerns about how a traditional system would even fit into the structure of the sanctuary. We were concerned about aesthetics, and the VRV system that they presented really had some great benefits and really seemed to be the best fit for our particular circumstances. Some of the things that we really appreciated about the VRV system was that a lot of the components are actually housed inside. We liked that. We liked the footprint that it was going to have in the sanctuary. One of the big selling points for us was that it was not just air conditioning, but that it is heating as well. And so we were able to utilize the space that the old registers had been in to install these VRV units, and actually the footprint of the new VRV units in the sanctuary was smaller. So there were a number of factors that we really appreciated about the VRV system that helped us to make that decision. JK was very knowledgeable about this system. They took their time explaining it to us, and we could see in working with them through the installation that they really cared about making sure it was done right and it was going to fit our needs and that we would have the support. We had to take our time and to really explain things to the congregation. JK walked with us through that process. We weren't rushed. They came out multiple times to meet with trustees and other leaders. So they were really patient and thorough working through that process with us, and it's turned out to be a wonderful addition to our building, but we want to make sure that we have the best service possible to keep it running in tip-top shape so that we can be taking our time to do the things that we are about. That's serving our congregation, serving our community. So JK gives us the support that we need there with the mechanics so we can do what we're called to do.
VRV stands for Variable Refrigerant Volume, sometimes known as a VRF system. This is a multi-split air conditioning system. It delivers a small amount of refrigerant in any one heating and cooling cycle. The VRV system allows users to control several areas at one time, achieves sustainability, saves on energy costs, and reduces their carbon footprint. If you're interested in any more information about a VRV system or any of our other services, please give us a call or check us out on the website at jkmechanical.com.